Welcome to our tutorial on how to allow Instagram to access your files with the latest update. If you're looking to grant Instagram permission to access your files and media on your device, follow these simple steps. To get started, open the Settings app on your device. This is where you can manage various settings for your apps. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps or Application Manager. The name may vary depending on your device, but look for the option that allows you to manage your installed apps. Locate and select Instagram from the list of apps displayed on your screen. This will take you to the settings specific to the Instagram app on your device. Tap on Permissions within the Instagram app settings. This is where you can control what permissions the app has. Find the option labeled Files and Media or Storage. Toggle on the switch next to it to allow Instagram to access your files. This step is essential for the app to interact with your media files. Lastly, select Allow Access to Media. This final confirmation grants Instagram the necessary permissions to access and interact with your media content. By following these steps, you can ensure that Instagram has the access it needs to your files and media. This can enhance your user experience and allow you to seamlessly share and interact with content on the platform. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope these instructions have helped you successfully allow Instagram to access your files. Keep enjoying your Instagram experience and effortlessly share your media with friends and followers.